Hello students, I've enjoyed reading the flip grids. I'm going to talk about what we're doing this week in financial fitness. So what you see on the screen right now is the landing page for our course. On the left-hand side is a navigation page. Couple things you can do. You can scroll always to the bottom of a page and it says click here, start here, overview and resources. How I've set this class up is you need to work through the modules in order. So what does that mean? Well, where it says start here, this says complete all items. So you have to go through and complete the requirements before you can move on to the next, okay? So welcome to our class, it says view. So all you need to do is open it up. And once you open it up, there's another video there, and then you just click next. So if I go back to modules, you notice there's a green check mark there. So you have to move through things in order. All of these minuses are things that haven't been done yet. So that's your first step. So once you've completed all of the learning tasks above, you're going to move on to Unit 1. This too says complete all items, again starting at the top. The essential outcomes, those are the goals. Those are the things that you should be able to know and do. So describing what contributes to a person's well-being, explaining how values influence decisions, and analyzing the importance of goal setting. Once you've gone there, you click next to continue. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is the 8 dimensions of wellness. And this is a review probably from your health class. And you probably are wondering, what does this have to do with financial fitness? Well, mark this page as done at the top. There should be an area up here in the student view, and click next below to find out. So what you'll see on the top of the page, the introductions to the 8 dimensions, some people call them domains, some people call them areas, they're all synonymous. The main idea is here, and there's a video for you to watch. It's real short. And then some information below on why wellness matters. And if you keep scrolling down, here is the worksheet. Now to edit this document, to fill in the information here, you're going to click Edit. And when you click Edit, then you're going to click Edit, make quick changes right here in Word. Now this may look different because, oh, it worked for me. Now this also says to change the font from blue to red. How do we change the font? You got to go up to, maybe you need to hit your 3 buttons. Where's our font? Is it over here? So to change the font sizes, you hit the 3 dots there, and you can change the font color. And it's asking you to change it to red so that your information stands out. Then once you're done, you just click Submit in the top, and you should be ready. Submit should show up here, and you should be ready to go. Now within the first module, I need all of you to complete this online class meeting survey. You just click into it and answer the questions. We're trying to find a time when we can meet, or when half of us can meet, to do face-to-face instruction. So that needs to be completed as well. And I would say that that's one of the first things we need to focus on, so that we can set up some time. I will also have office hours. I'll click a link in, or student hours, Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays from 8 to 8:30. I'll put a link out there in Microsoft Teams. If you have a question, you just click the link and you'll be connected directly with me. Thanks. Have a great week.